What if you can use all your efforts and reduce your emissions in a competitive advantage for your company? Well, we are Carbon Zero, a platform that merges all those companies that certify and generate new projects and those companies that want to reduce their emissions through carbon bonds. In our platform, you can buy projects and sell projects with blockchain technology and machine learning.
What is a carbon market? Well, it's about purchase and sale of credits that represent the capture of avoided emission of 1 metric ton of CO2. Also, to understand our potential, in the first half of 2022, 532 companies joined the Colombian Carbon Neutral Program. And around the world, Colombia has a carbon credit tariff of $5 and other countries it's between $25 and $200. Also, by the end of 2021, more than 21% of global emissions were covered by some form of carbon pricing. In terms of Colombia, it is estimated that the carbon bond market in Colombia could reach a value of 1.5 trillion pesos by 2030. And Colombia has committed to reduce its GHG emissions by 51% by 2030. Also, in terms of international market, currently more than 60 countries participate in the carbon market. The value of the market exceeded 95 billion by 2023, and these markets are regulated at the international level by the Paris Agreements and the Kyoto Protocol.
We have strategic alliances that are going to help us to develop our idea. The first two are the main companies that drive the Colombian market, that certify and produce that type of projects, and the other ones are companies that are already in that type of market. Our project is going to be divided in different stages. The first one is the market recognition. The second one is the platform implementation. The next one is the implementation of blockchain and machine learning for the traceability of each project. And finally, we're going to open new markets such as Brazil, and we're going to implement the consulting.
In terms of monetization, we divided the process in two different phases. Phase 1, it's commissions per transaction, starting with a basic model where we charge 2% of the value of each bond or voucher sold. And the phase number 2 is commissions for marketing strategies with the leads model. This is to generate income for each click on our web platform. As Carbon Zero, we seek to have an initial capital of 200 million COP, which will be distributed in own capital of the partners, which represents 13%. Capital invested by an venture capital will be 88%, and in the first year we will have 10 companies with a WACC of 26%, an internal rate of return of 107.17%, and net present value of 779 million COP.
Let's start reduce your carbon footprint and drive your company in a sustainable success.